Oh, yo, it's Momo Trades. We back at it. Let's frickin' go. How we doing? Crazy uptrend yesterday. And really the last 4 or 5 days. I mean, this is a daily chart. From just October 27th, we were at 41.22. We're all the way at 43.60. 43.60. Unreal. Unreal, mates. All right, and we're in and out of a trade just like that. In and out of a quick scalp. Quick scalp. But basically what I saw, we had a new low here. We had a second entry short, failure off the EMA. Nice bullish bar. I'm going to go long again if we get a chance. If we get a chance. This will be a second entry long. But the bullish bar is not there, unfortunately. But how we all doing today? Mr. Bill, good morning, good morning. What do y'all think of this? What do y'all think of this market? Oh my goodness. This market does not want to settle down. And we're still pushing up. So, I mean, you could have still even taken this second entry long, one leg, 2 legs down. I just didn't want to take it because this second signal bar was not the greatest, but I mean, in an uptrend like we've been having the last several days, I mean, let's take a look. I'm gonna duplicate this chart and pull up a 10,000 tick chart. So we're gonna make this 10,000 ticks and see what that looks like. I mean, going back to the daily, next target is 43.70. It's this swing high from September 29th. 43.70. 43.70, that's the next upside target. Let's see if we work our way up there. But man, if you guys just did a little swing trade a couple days ago, there's some traders out there who are probably getting 200 points. 200 points the last couple days. Man, look. Just a few days ago, 41.22. We're at 43.60. You don't see that type of movement too often. But we had a big spike up 1 hour prior to market open. Some news. So to me, it looks like we had this spike, and now we're just in a channel, this trend channel, working our way up, working our way to 43.70. But man, this first trade happened so fast. Where did I even get in? I want to see where I even got in. 43.60. We got in at 43.60. So even within this wider trend, we have thin, concise trend line. We had the break. We had the new high. So at this point, we might come back to the bottom side of this trend channel. Yeah, so honestly, now that I have the trend channel drawn a little more tight from these swing lows, looks like we're bouncing off the midline many times. Third confirmation, fourth confirmation of the top side of the trend channel. So as we were saying, might be time to work to the bottom side of the trend channel now. Okay, so here's a second entry long at the EMA. Nice bullish bar. Except I'm not going to take it because it's just a little bit risky now that we had this move up, had to break, had that test at the top side of the trend channel. So let's see how this turns out. Let's see how this turns out. So the scalp still hasn't been made. I mean, we are in a great uptrend. Nice bullish bar. I'd rather wait for a higher low, but you got this little mini move down as well. Scalp still wouldn't have quite worked out if you went one tick above the signal bar. But there we go. Now you would have been filled. So man, maybe I should have just taken this second entry long. Off the midline. Not bad. Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. Maybe I was overthinking it. But at some point, I do definitely want to see us come to the bottom side of this channel, because it looks pretty valid to me. We do have some news. ISM services PMI in about 23 minutes, 1 hour after market open, or half an hour after market open, I should say. All right, getting a little sideways. Getting a little sideways. We are testing that EMA once again. Still making higher highs, still making higher lows. Where will we stop doing that and start working lower? That's the question. That is the question. Will it be here? Will that break below the EMA be here? If I am going long, I would rather it be at the bottom side of this channel, not at the midline, but could get a potential setup here. Not quite, not quite. But let's see how this bar finishes. See if we actually work lower or if it's just another fake out. Okay, so basically what I see here is failed second entry short. Got this new low. We went down once. We went down again. Now trader's gonna be trapped. See if we can work higher. We need one more tick. But now it is getting a little sideways as well. But this EMA is holding. This midline is seeming to be holding. Okay, we had 2 of the contracts get filled. There we go. Nice. Okay, so this one a little risky with that sideways bar, but or sideways bars, but barely got a scalp out of it. I mean, man, still could keep working higher, but we'll see. I mean, if we take out these highs after a couple ticks, yep, there it is. There's a big jump. So now we're touching that top side of the channel again. Let's see if now we start working lower. My goodness, my goodness. Maybe I should have kept the runner in. Maybe I should have kept the runner. This market does not want to slow down. Not one bit. Not one bit. My goodness. Where is it going? That's what I want to know. But only 12 minutes in the market open, already 2-0. Man, not a bad spot. Up 375 after commissions. What are we at? 350 total P&L. But that's the thing about these uptrends. Sometimes you just take the higher lows, you just take the bounces off the EMA, good looking signal bars, and you'll be good. So on top of the fact that it was a second entry short failure, it was also counting from this high right here, 1 attempt, 2 attempts to go higher, second entry long as well. Sniffer in chief. Sniffer in chief, Toe Man, welcome in, welcome in. How we all doing? Chilling? We chilling? Now's where we reassess and look for a different kind of channel where we might just be having something even like this. Where we actually were at the bottom side of the channel, now we're just going higher. If we're going off these swing highs, we've still got a lot of room. Still got a lot of room to go. All right, now I might even draw another little short-term uptrend. But okay, if I did have a runner going here, I would have just trailed it one tick below these two stacked signal bars. So would have went long 63, 43, 63. Would have had at least about a 5-point runner. And looking back at yesterday, I did not want to see this. Kind of hurt my feelings. But where did we go long yesterday? We went long right here, 4304.75. If we had a runner going and just trailed it at every swing low, it wouldn't have been until all the way up here where we would have went up and then taken our stop loss. But that would have been about 0475 up to 1875, about a 14-point runner right there that we missed out on, unfortunately. But that's why you do, if you have a runner, you definitely want to take advantage on trending days like we've been having the last few days. Yeah, so this is definitely what I think the proper uptrend is. Just based off the first 2-3 swings of the top side of the channel. Now we got 2 confirmations on the bottom side. The midline is still in play as well. So let's see how far we go. Let's see how far we go. Look, and once again, if I had a runner here, I would have trailed it 43.68. Would have trailed it right here again, 43.70. So man, that's about 7 points on the table right there as well. One second, let me fix my chart. Man, oh man, we're not slowing down one bit. What's happening? What is happening? All right, and we're also at that 43.70 level. Remember we were talking about this swing high right here from about a month ago, 43.70. Next target, 43.82. 43.82. And then this is the 10,000 tick chart. And wait, maybe we even need Alright, that's fine. If we look at the 10,000 tick chart, I mean, from a few days ago until now, can we fit a wide uptrend? Well, we're definitely at the near top of whatever longer term uptrend there might be. Like, it looks very, very steep. Not too sustainable. So, something to watch out for. I mean, look at this. Look at this parabolic move. That's usually not sustainable when you're going this vertical up. That angle is not what you want to see. Usually it's a 45-degree angle in a very healthy trend. So we're a lot overbought. We're a lot overbought. All right, and here we go. Here we're getting a test at the EMA. Let's see what happens. See if we get a nice second entry long. All right, the trade triggered. Trade triggered. We need one more tick. One more tick. All right, we're in and out just like that. In and out just like that. Trade's rocketing off. Second entry long, off the EMA. Nice two-legged pullback. Still got this little mini trend intact as well. We're in and out. We're in and out. All right, so we're up in total 535 per account. We're at that basically 2K mark per account. You got one more 1,000 to go. Might just be worth it to do it next week. We'll see what happens in the next 8 or so minutes. We'll see. We'll see if it's worth it to keep trading. Man, I gotta start using some runners. Why can I not separate my contracts? Because I wanna have 3 contracts scalping and 1 as a runner. But every time I enter a trade, like let's switch to let's do a sim account. How about that? Yeah, so if I have 1 contract, that's fine. When I add another one, you can still separate it, but if I go in like this, 4 contracts together. Okay, now it does that. But I still have 3 contracts separated, and then only 1 up here. So very strange. Very strange. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. Can someone help me out? Let me know what I need to do. Let me know what I need to do to fix it. All right, so once again, this trade would have worked out for a little runner. 72.25, 74. A little less than a 2-point runner, but still a runner. Still a runner. Still counts. We got news in 5 minutes. News coming out in 5 minutes. And to be honest with you guys, I'm happy where the day's at already. 25 minutes into market open. It's a Friday. You never know what's gonna happen on a Friday. I'm gonna end the stream right there. I'm gonna do it right there. We'll see y'all back on Monday next week. It's gonna be time to finish that last 1,000 in profit so we can get these PAs activated, get to that 3,000 profit goal. But that's gonna wrap it up. Peace out.